Arm 2 is clear. Initiating transfer to Chamber 1.
Confirmed. Monitoring thermal cycling data now.
Precision levels are exceptional on this batch. Quality consistency is high. The automated systems are performing as expected.
This data point here, are we within the performance specifications?
Yes, the system is compensating automatically. Yield remains high.
Primary manufacturing sequence showing extensively trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems executing in-circuit testing verification. The AOI scan on line 3 is complete. Yield is holding at 99.8%. Yield efficiency is stabilizing across all metrics. Looks good. Let's push the throughput optimization.
The high-speed pick-and-place sequence looks stable.
Confirmed. Solder paste application is consistent and efficient.
Advanced Systems Integration phase meticulously implementing component traceability databases displaying sophisticated automated surface mount technology. Thermal levels are stabilizing nicely. The heat maps confirm optimal temperature management, and the quality metrics are all green. Looks like maximized production efficiency.
Jackson. The signal integrity validation is holding steady across all parameters.
Predictive analytics confirm exceptional product.
Warning, the real-time monitoring shows EMC levels exceeding compliance standards. Predictive analytics indicates a failure. Acknowledged. Implementing calibration sequence adjustment. Assemblies. The automated platforms demonstrate sophisticated precision electronics assembly, utilizing real-time monitoring. These preliminary results exceed the baseline resistance threshold.
Agreed. The data validates the methodology. The final analysis shows a clear pass on all standardized protocols.
Excellent, we can authorize the release.
All accelerated life testing procedures are complete. Data confirms optimized yield.
Documentation verified. We are clear to authorize product release.
Briggs. The rigorous reliability demonstration testing is complete. The defect detection systems performed flawlessly.
All results.
Thermal analysis complete. All data within spec according to Protocol 3.1.
Confirmed. Results documented in the traceability management platform.
Validated methodologies followed. Authorizing product release.
The noise floor stabilization is within protocol limits.
Confirmed. Documenting results for release authorization.
The thermal stabilization protocols are holding steady at peak load. Confirmed. Power consumption is within the specified margin. I'll finalize the documentation for release. The oscilloscope analysis confirms the signal integrity. It passes all industry standard protocols.
Good. Let's finalize the documentation for product release.
The timing analysis verification is complete. We meet the electromagnetic compatibility standards.
Documentation is meticulous. We can authorize the product release.
The predictive models are actively forecasting potential failures, allowing us to maintain operational excellence and maximize manufacturing efficiency.
Equipment is calibrated and stable.
Parameters confirmed. Efficiency is at 99%.
As you can see, manufacturing excellence is up across the board since Q3.
Continuous quality improvement validated.
By integrating these Kaizen initiatives directly into our statistical process control, we're seeing significant uptrends in efficiency.
The advanced analytics confirm our optimization programs are working. We've achieved a 150% cost reduction.
Rebates. The yield enhancement analysis suggests a deviation in the current batch.
I see it. The quality assurance data confirms.
Surgeons.
Look at the utilization metrics. We've optimized the yield significantly. And regulatory compliance is now.
The advanced analytics confirm our inventory optimization strategies are working.
Excellent. Phase 2 implementation can begin immediately.
Margins. As you can see, the integrated system confirms real-time supplier performance.
This level of traceability ensures
Contamination levels in Sector 3 are dropping significantly.
And yield efficiency is up 5%. The new protocols are working.
Sure. By integrating the thermal analytics, we've identified the root cause of the recent failures.
Implementing this change.
Operational management is implementing field failure analysis utilizing signal integrity validation testing with cross-functional teams and advanced analytics platforms.
By integrating these systems, we're optimizing our obsolescence planning.
The real-time data confirms a drastic improvement in.
Cross-reference the predictive models for the assembly tolerance. The system is showing green across all compliance metrics.
The optimization sequence is complete. Look at the yield projection. Incredible. The machine learning protocol worked perfectly. As you can see, the assembly integration is flawless. This level of precision significantly improves our manufacturing applications.
Rethinking the millimeter wave integration could significantly enhance performance.
The projections confirm superior standards. We've maximized the yield potential. Integrating these sustainable practices will significantly reduce waste in the manufacturing process.
And improve our competitive advantage in the long run.
These results confirm the viability of the next generation component. This breakthrough will revolutionize the electronics industry. The yield metrics on the latest batch look promising.
Consistent quality across the flexible substrate. We should proceed with scaling.
The precision on this run meets the new regulatory benchmarks.
Excellent. The integration with the 3D architecture is flawless.
The simulation confirms a 40% increase in throughput. And the digital twin accurately models the stress points. The market analytics confirm that reputation directly correlates with yield efficiency.
We must optimize. Our enterprise intelligence platforms show sustained advantages.
The market analytics confirm this trend globally.
The market analytics confirm the trend.
We need to leverage this data for the talent initiatives immediately.
The platform confirms our strategic adjustments are optimizing the global supply chain effectively.
An integrated production ecosystem strategically positioned within the global supply chain infrastructure, serving billions of consumers worldwide.
A complete integrated production ecosystem. This is the future of the global electronic supply chain.
As demonstrated, the motherboard assembly line has achieved operational excellence, with successful implementation across all systems and quality control metrics. Automated systems precisely place components onto the PCBs as they move down the conveyor belt for the next stage. Utilizing state-of-the-art robotic systems and microscopic component placement, we achieve exceptional precision and reliability. From manual soldering to advanced surface mount technology, we have continuously innovated. Welcome to the future of smart manufacturing.
We need to adjust these manufacturing parameters based on the performance targets.
The statistical process control system considers.
These critical design specs highlight the new ESD protection parameters.
We ensure the components meet these requirements sustainably.
Adjusting these parameters should optimize performance targets.
The quality assurance tests confirm all critical specifications.
This heat map confirms the junction temperatures are stabilizing below the threshold.
Excellent. The new component requirements meet the performance targets for the Rev3 design.
The crosstalk on this trace is failing the performance target.
Agreed. We need to revise the design specifications for that component immediately.
The traceability platform confirms all component requirements are met here.
Good. Let's finalize the documentation for regulatory approval.
We need to finalize the component requirements before the next phase. The contamination risk is still too high.
Agreed.
Meticulous preparation procedures are followed, systematically implementing signal integrity validation testing to ensure manufacturing readiness before full-scale production. This demonstration shows our meticulous preparation procedures, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness before full-scale production commencement.
Check the alignment tolerance on sector gamma. The specification requires tighter control for this batch.
Confirmed. Adjusting the inspection parameters now. All systems verified green.
Specifications confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Protocols complete. We are ready for production commencement.
Meticulous preparation ensures we meet the stringent standards for automated surface mount technology, ensuring complete manufacturing readiness.
Implementing the material traceability system ensures meticulous quality control and manufacturing readiness before production commencement.
Our primary manufacturing sequence utilizes extensively trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems.
The thermal profile on Zone 3 is stabilizing within parameters.
Confirmed. Yield remains consistent at 99.8%.
Lover. Extensively trained technated systems and automated systems